Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily verify your age on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then tap at profile icon, tap at three lines and get into settings and privacy. Then just scroll down until you find report a problem. Then select account and profile. Next tap at manage account and then select I want to make my account secure. You will be taken to this page where you got some security advices. You should just scroll down to the very bottom and then hit add no. Then scroll down again and hit add need more help. And that's where you can report a problem. Just describe your situation. You can just write something like I want to indicate my correct age, and then write your new birthday, including day, month and year. After that, just hit add submit to send a report, and then just wait for a while until TikTok support team will solve your problem. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.